Hello guys, welcome back to my C++ series. Today in this video we are going to learn all about the function, what are the functions and how we can use them in our C++ program. So let's start by opening the Visual Studio. So I have Visual Studio installed on my laptop. If you don't know how to install it, go back and watch my previous videos. I have covered all the process that you need to do while installing the Visual Studio as well. So come back onto the topic while that how we can use the functions in C++. So why to use the function? Because sometime you are going to write a lot more code in your C++ program, then there the function comes handy that you need a code that you are repeating in a plus project that you are writing it again and again. And then if you write the functions, you will put the code in the function and you can use it again and again by just calling the function. That's it. You don't have to write the all code again, just need to put the code in the function and calling the function again and again. So we have different type of functions. There is the main function, my default function, where the compilation starts. So the compiler knows where to execute it start. It is the main function. Okay, so first of all I'm going to define a function with the no return type and with the no values as well. Okay, so in this function what I can do that I can only define a process. I can't give the values in this function and I can't receive the value from this function. So just give the instructions to it that hey, print the hello world. Okay, print the hello world. Okay, this code can be more longer, that hello world and different things can be there, but this time is only hello world here. Okay, when you are going to use this function, you just have to write the name and you just give the parentheses there. Okay, so it is just calling the function and you just because it is not returning anything and it is not taking anything, so it is just returning the value. To build it, so when we will run it, you can see the hello world is on the screen here. So put the end L there. Okay, so that's it with function with the no return type and with no value. So now I am going to declare the function with the return type as well. So it is returning integer, so it means that a function is having something and it is giving it to me when I require the specific thing that whenever I want. For example, I want the 4 times 5. Okay, successfully, but it will not return anything because we don't have received anything. Okay, I am going to receive it by result. So you just have to be careful that whatever you are returning it here, then you just have to receive by the data type, the same data type here. Okay, 4 times 5 is stored in the result, saved in the result, but we don't show it on the screen. So show it on the screen, type just result and give it and L, and we run it. You can see the 20 is on the screen here. Okay, I hope it makes sense to you, that function. So now we will come on to the function by values. Function takes the values and returns the values to me. Okay, so for example, I am giving it integer a. I can name it. You can give it any name to it. Okay, for example, I have a function that will take two numbers and will give it back to me after multiplying. Okay, so here you can give 4 by 5. Okay, 4 will be A and the 5 will be B, and what it will do, it will multiply A with B and will return to me, and it will save into the result here, then it will be C out. Okay, here you can see the 20 is on the screen. Pretty good. So if I need this multiply function again and again in my code, so what I can do, so I copy it and paste it here. You can change the variable name 20 by 10. Result 2 here. Okay, you can see 20 is here and the 200 is here. Very simple. That what you did is just write this line and this line to do the things. So I'm not here, it is not clear that how it can be useful. I only have told that sometime you can have lot more code in your C++ project as well. Then there will be the functions that whenever you require that code, and you will just write the name of the function and will give it the value if it is required, and will receive it the value if it is returning something. Okay, so one more way you can apply this on the functions. So if it is returning something, make sure that if it is returning something, you can write the function and you can give the 20 by 10 here. After building and running, you can see the 200 is on the screen here. Okay, the 20 is not in the screen because we don't have printed it as well. You will see the result. You can see the results on the screen here. 2 times 200, 20, and 200 is on the screen. Very good. So what type of functions I have told in this video, that functions with no return type and with no values. Okay, and one more is with one return type and one more function, that a function 2 is taking two values, printing them after multiplying as well. Okay, you also can give the text here, a multiply b is equals to this. You can see it is building, but here we have error. The keyword return is not here. Okay, so for example, I will write the keyword return, then you will see that it is built successfully. So I hope it makes sense to all of you. So one more thing that I want to tell you, that whenever the return keywords occurs in a function, it stops the execution of the function. Okay, for example, I have write here that for that multiply. So what do you think that what it will do here? So let's see it. You can see it will do nothing. Why? Because when return occurs, it stops the execution of the function as well. To you, that if you are worried, that if you don't understand that, so don't worry. In the future videos, we are going to use a lot more functions in our C++ series. Okay, so I hope you found this video educational and entertaining. Goodbye.